Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back at it again with another wig install with none other than Remy Lide. So starting off, I was just showing you the product that she's using to tint the lace. This is going to help the lace match better with my skin tone. So she sprayed that all over the lace and blended it in with a brush. And as you guys can see, this looks a lot more wearable for a darker skin tone. Now she's going to now she's going to sew in a comb on the back of the wig just to make sure I get a lot more security, because obviously you don't want my wig flying off my hair. Now she's going to see how it fits on my hair just to get an idea of where she needs to place the band, and also to cut off the excess lace from the ear tabs as well. So snip, 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 snip. We're going to put in the elastic band. This one is from a company called Wig Strap. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. So she's just sewing that in for even more security. It's very, very windy in the UK, so we need extra security just to make sure my wig doesn't fly off my head. So we're going to try that on again. Once that fits, we're going to get a bit of rubbing alcohol and take off the excess makeup on my forehead area. That way the wig is able to lay super duper flat, and it's not going to clog up all that product from my makeup onto the lace. So after brushing back my natural hair, she's going to cut off the excess lace first, and then she's going to start the gluing process. I believe she used Ghost Bond glue, but I'll confirm with her just to make sure. But she's going to cut off the excess lace, and we're going to start in the middle, placing one layer of the lace glue on my forehead and just blending that in with like an ice lollipop stick, just to prevent that stickiness and like oiliness going onto my scalp. I need to try this trick actually. So then she's going to wait for that to dry and add another layer and use the stick to blend that out also. So let that dry again, and we're going to get the wig and we're going to pop that on my head. And then she's going to use the back of the comb to kind of make sure that's really stuck down. So she's going to press it down with her comb just to make sure everything is in place. I'm so messy when it comes to my frontal. I don't know about you guys, but it takes me forevers to lay these frontals down. I literally just be watching these videos and getting inspiration because I don't know what the hell I'd be doing. But Remy is very meticulous, and she pays attention to details. As you guys can see, the lace is lifting a little bit at the front, so she just gets a bit of the glue at the end of the comb and make sure that's stuck all the way down so we don't have anything flying and bumping and riding. Now she's going to cut off the excess lace on the side of the wig and basically repeat the same process as she did in the middle. Okay guys, so now that's all done, we're gonna lay down my edges with like a tissue paper kind of thing, and then she goes over it with like a pair of tights just to make sure it's extra secure. The pair of tights is also going to make it lay really flat, so when she takes it off, everything is melted and it looks like real scalp. Also, just in case I forgot to mention, this hair is from WESTKISSHAIR on AliExpress. I will leave all their details in the description box. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what textures or lengths I got because it was such a long time ago, but I will leave all the details in the description box in case you're wondering. Here Remy is actually styling my hair. She's just straightening it. I just wanted something very simple, very sleek, very easy, and I'm actually just describing my horror story in Nigeria. I had like a hairstylist like do my hair all crazy, so I was just describing it to her. We're just giggling about that. Okay, that's all done. So now Remy's going to cut off the tissue paper that helped with the laying process, and we're going to reveal the frontal. My only issue with this, well, it wasn't really an issue, it was literally just the fact that the spritz that we used earlier wasn't that dark. It wasn't dark enough for my skin tone. I feel like if it was a little bit darker and it matched my skin tone, this would have been absolutely flawless, but it was a little bit light and it was peeking through. But that's my only con, but that wasn't anybody's fault. But yeah, so now she's just laying down my little baby hairs, my little sideburns on the side, and she's going to use a hot comb to make sure everything is really pressed all the way down. So as you guys can see, this hair is silky AF, very nice, very sleek, very shiny, and it moves as I like it. So yeah, she's gonna go over the sideburns and just like cut the excess hair off the sideburns, and then she's gonna go over it like I mentioned with the hot comb. I'm not sure when she's gonna start doing that. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. We're still here. Okay. This bit. Oh. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, so now she's gonna get like a wax and put that all over the side of the hair, and then she's gonna get her hot comb. Here we go. Oh, no, she's not. Oh, girl, where's it at, girl? Now she's gonna get her hot comb and she's gonna press that hair all the way down. The hot comb really makes a difference in how your lace frontal turns out. If you don't have a hot comb and you wear wigs, you need to get one. It's gonna make your wigs elevate from like a 5 to a 10 like instantly. Can you just see how it just sleeked everything down and made everything look really like flat? Yeah, so that's it, guys. So I'm going to show you the hair in motion. As you guys can see, it is shiny, it's moving, it's bouncy, it's healthy, it's, you know, everything. And I don't think she put that much products on the actual bundle, so definitely check out WESTKISS down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.